Understanding the phrase, Frog's Umbrella, an English learning guide. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and slightly quirky English phrase, Frog's Umbrella. This phrase might sound odd at first, but it's a wonderful example of how colorful and imaginative the English language can be. Let's dive in and discover its meaning together. Frog's umbrella is not a commonly used phrase in English, and it doesn't have a widely recognized meaning in everyday language. However, it can serve as a great example of creating descriptive phrases in English. The phrase seems to suggest something whimsical or ineffective, as it's hard to imagine a frog using an umbrella. It's important to note that in English, combining two unrelated words can often create humorous or imaginative expressions, and this is a perfect example of that. The phrase, frog's umbrella, is a great exercise in imagery and imagination. When we think about a frog with an umbrella, it creates a vivid picture in our minds. English is full of such imaginative expressions. For example, cat's pajamas, or elephant in the room. These phrases use imagery to convey more complex ideas or emotions in a fun and engaging way. Using phrases like frog's umbrella can add color and creativity to your English. Here's how you can use such phrases. 1. Be playful. Don't be afraid to play with words and create your own expressions. 2. Context matters. Make sure your listener or reader understands the context or the imaginative nature of your phrase. 3. Learn from literature. Many authors in English literature use such imaginative language. Reading books can be a great way to learn. I hope you enjoyed exploring the phrase, frog's umbrella, and the creative aspects of the English language. Remember, language learning is not just about rules and grammar. It's also about expression, imagination, and fun. Keep playing with words and creating your own colorful expressions. Until next time, happy learning!